Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there. Today we are making a Midwest Mixer original called the Golden Goose. To start off this cocktail, you are going to need some very sticky gooseberries. 5 of them to be precise.
What does a gooseberry taste like?
It's weird.
It's weird.
It is. It's like there's like seeds like a tomato, and it kind of looks like a tomato, but then it's fruity. I got attacked by juice. Yeah, like, okay, now that I muddle, I mean, like, look at all the seeds. There's so many seeds.
Yeah,
it's kind of orangey.
So you're gonna muddle these.
Okay, so yes, you muddle the 5 gooseberries. I don't know why that's fun to say. Gooseberries. All right. Then 0.25 ounces of simple syrup. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. 1 ounce of Elderflower Liqueur. Without spilling it. I spilled it before. Freaking went everywhere. Okay. So those ingredients are all in the shaker tin. We're going to add ice. Maybe. We're going to shake for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. There's not a ton of stuff in here, so it should chill down pretty quickly. Or you might just be an aggressive shaker like moi. All right. So I have my coupe glass here. We are going to double strain because, again, seeds. They're everywhere. Seeds. If you're curious as to where to get gooseberries, I was not anticipating doing anything with gooseberries until I saw them at the store. I was like, we should do something with this. And they're weird. They're like in little cocoons.
Yeah, watch out. Some might go.
Yes. Found that one out.
Use quickly.
Use quickly and effectively. So after we have double strained into our coupe, we are going to top with Prosecco. Ah, beautiful. A little bit of bubble never hurts anybody. And then for our garnish, we have a lemon disc. And okay, this one's a little heavy for some strange reason, but you just boop. Oh, it stayed a little.
A little bit.
Oh, you just shush. It's not a yellow submarine. All right, there we have the Golden Goose. Of course, I am going to taste. I am going to rate it. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail, move on, probably not my jam. 5 is I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning.
Which you already do.
Which I kind of already do.
Not too much.
Therapy sessions, man. Therapy sessions. I don't know. Anywho, get it together. All right, we're tasting the Golden Goose. It definitely smells like, well, I guess I smell the gooseberry, but I smell the elderflower too. Oh, that's very nice. So, overall, it's very, I guess citrusy is the best word for me to use. I do taste the gooseberry because I did try a gooseberry, so I know what it tastes like. It is hard to describe for me. It's citrusy, but fruity at the same time. It's kind of goofy. So I do taste the gooseberry. I taste the elderflower, and of course, like the Prosecco is just kind of like bringing it all together. It's not overly sweet. It's definitely light. It's very airy, thanks to the Prosecco and the bubbles. I think for this one, I am going to give it, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I'm going to go 4 out of 5. Delicious cocktail. I think this is one that could get you into some trouble. I will say that. But I don't know if I could drink this all night. just because, again, bubbles, it's a whole thing. Anyway, I love me some bubbles, but they come back to haunt me. So 4 out of 5 for me. Ingredients are listed down below. That way you can make this right at home as well, if you can find gooseberries. It was a lucky find. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next pour, hopefully not hating myself. Cheers.